BBL Baddie pickle. I mean, I'm trying a BBL Baddie snack today. I've been seeing everyone do their viral pickle dip, whatever the heck, but I honestly just don't want to do all that. I do have the best ruffles ever. I have some whipped cream cheese, and then I got these Grillos pickles, sweet and spicy. Oh my goodness, my mouth is freaking watering. Okay, let me open this. Oh, this looks that's delicious. Oh my goodness, my mouth is actually watering so bad right now. I'm gonna get a good chip, so I'm gonna a little bit of cream cheese, okay, and then we're gonna add a BBL Baddie pickle. I saw some people do it with bulldog. Oh, this doesn't even need the bulldog on it. Oh my goodness, look at that. I had never even seen these before. This is absolutely divine and delicious. Yummy. Also, this is indeed a product of me just being lazy and not wanting to make the whole dip, but these three right here, yum.